Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Automation X with Cyclen. So today we'll be talking about string manipulations. So what we can do with the string manipulations, we will try to say today. So I'll be just opening a new flow chart, string operations. I'll just create it. So we have lots of string operations. So let's see what we can actually do with it. So I'll use an assign activity. So I'll just create new variable str1. We'll just create a value for it. Hello automation X by Kiran. Okay. So here I'm just trying to use a message box. So basically get the substring, or is it I'll be using Indexof here. So Indexof will let you know the secondary string is available in your main string or not. So whatever the string you're trying to search, if it is available, it will try to give you the position. I'll be just using the syntax here. str1 dot Indexof. So I'm just searching for like value called Kiran here. Just click here. Okay. So make sure it was of same lowercase and uppercase. So if it was available, it will just give me the index of the particular item. Nothing but the position of where actually your secondary string is available. So it was saying like it was there on the 21st position. So let's say that I was just searching for another value called Sai instead of Kiran. Basically, it won't be just giving me the output. So it will just give me the output as like -1. If the string was existing, it will give you the position. If the string was not existing, it will give you -1 as an outcome. So this is -1. This is the since it was not existing, right? So we have another scenario in Indexof. So Indexof will just give the position of first occurrence of the particular keyword you are trying to search with. So let's say that I'm trying to go with Kiran twice. Still, I want to get the secondary position. How can you do that? Or the last position you want to go with. So we have another syntax here. I'll go with the str1 dot last index of the value called Kiran here. So already we know that the first occurrence was available at like 21st character. But now let's see the position of the item here. So it was there in the 39th position. So that is what we can do with Indexof and index, last Indexof. So I'll just go with another set of activity. Here we'll try to go with message box again. Now I'll try to go with substring. So I'll go with str1 dot substring. So here we need to provide from which character you want to extract and how many characters you want to extract. So I'll say that from the 21st character, I want to extract like 5 characters here. So let's see what is the outcome we'll be getting here. So we got like from the 21st character is basically like where Kiran is actually starting. From there, you're saying like 5 values I want to extract here. Okay, so that is what we can. So if in the same syntax, if I just provide only 21, I was not saying like how many characters you want to extract. So it will just give me till the end. So it was just giving me a Kiran with UiPath Kiran, like whatever from the 21st character till the end, it was just giving me all the values, right? So that is what we can do with substring of index position. And I'll just go with another string manipulation technique is split. I want to split the values based on a delimiter here. So what I'll do, I'll just wherever I have here hyphen, I just want to split that and get the values. So here my string was there, but you have different values in it, and it was separated by an hyphen here. So the delimiter is basically hyphen here, and I want to split it based on the hyphen. So once you split that value, a string here, you will have multiple values coming as an outcome. So you need to store that values in a array type variable, nothing but a collection variable. So I'll use another assign, and I'll be just trying to give the syntax here, str1 dot split. I want to go with a delimiter called hyphen. Okay, just click OK, create a variable here, array var, and it's of type array of string. And I'm just passing that array var here. Okay, so now your string got split, and that value was stored in an array. I want to see all the elements here, so I'll just go with like for each. I'll just provide in which thing you want to loop. I want to loop here inside your array type variable. I'll search with the message. I'll just try to print in the message box the current item here. So I'll be just running on my particular flow here where trying to convert your string to a list based on a delimiter. So after splitting it, you'll get all your values here like hello, automation X, and like Kiran, finally UiPath, right? So these are how you try to split based on a delimiter here. Right? Here it is like hyphen, it can be anything. It's not that every time it is hyphen. So we can go with anything that was required for us. Okay. So I'll just go with some bunch of activities here in a single message box. Where we'll try to print it in the same message box itself. First thing I will be trying to go is I'll try to get the length here. So I'll just click place to get the length. I'll go with like str1 dot length, right? Dot string. Also to go with the newer line, I'll go with function bbcrlf. So that like you'll be get printed in the new line. Now I want to convert all my string into uppercase. So I'll go with like uppercase. I'll go with place. So str1 dot uppercase. dot to upper. Okay, dot to string, and again I'll go with a new line VBCRLF. Plus I'll go with what, a lowercase. So now I'm just going with plus symbol, and it's like str1 dot lower. Okay, and also I'll go with another function called replace, where I'll try to replace an older value with a newer value. So str1 dot replace, and we can go with I want to replace hyphen with basically like star symbols. Okay, 4 star symbols. So let's try to execute this particular activity message box to get all your 4 set of string manipulations required in your particular process. Okay, so let me run the file. So first thing we got is length. It says that total length is like 30 characters. So next it says that like all your characters converted into uppercase. If you can see all the characters there in the uppercase. And the next thing is done in lowercase, where you can see all the characters are done with the lowercase. Since I haven't utilized a new line operation, it was just combined here. You can see the replace function I have utilized. So here earlier it was there with an hyphen. So now it was replaced with all the characters, nothing but star symbols, right? So that is what we can just do with the string operations related to uppercase, to lowercase, length, and all these things, right? So let's also see other values, other string operations here, like pad right, pad left, insert, and remove also. So I'll be just using another message box. So I'll go with your value here. Hello, machine X. So I'll use a remove here, or it's like I'll use insert basically after 5th character. So I want to insert like at the rate symbol here, like this. So let's see how we can do that. Let's say that str1 dot insert, you want to insert at which position? At the 6th position. I want to insert at the rate symbol. Okay, so just save the file and run the file. So you can see that at the rate symbol was inserted at the 6th position, right? So now let's say that I want to utilize some other string manipulation function, which is a remove str1 dot remove, from which position you want to remove and how many characters you want to remove. So that is what we need to say. So from the 5th, 6th position, remove all the characters. So I'll say like I'll say like remove 10 characters from that. So try to run the file. If you don't provide how many characters you want to remove, so you just need to provide only the position there. So it will just remove all the characters that was existing there. So after hello, we have like automation X. So automation is something where we have like 10 characters that was removed, right? So now let's say that I've just provided only from the sixth position remove function, string function. So if I just try to run the file, it will just remove all the characters after the sixth character here. So we have got only outcome as like hello, right? Now also I'll just go with other function called pad left and pad right. So I'll just go with like str1 dot pad right. So I want to go with like 30 characters. Basically, string length should be like 30 character. Let's say that you have string length of only 20 characters, and after 20 character till 30th character, you want to add a particular value here. So let's say that I want to add with the a single character called X. So how the outcome will be there? We'll try to see it. So it will just add X after the particular characters here. So till 30th character from the last particular position, it will just try to add. So we have seen like pad right. So we can also do pad left, nothing but it will start doing from the starting position. So pad left. Just click on OK. The same function we'll try to use. So we can see like X is like adding a prefix, sorry, a prefix before just particular start of the values. And we'll just wind up this session with another set of two important string manipulations, which is basically a dot equals method and dot contains method. So I'll just go with the message box here, where I'll be trying to search for a keyword. So on str1, so I'm just trying to make sure that if it is equals to a particular value called hello, Kiran. Basically, that is not the correct thing, right? So it will just give me, it was actually having hello automation X, but I'm just trying to make sure that this particular keyword is matched with like hello automation. So it basically gives me like Boolean as an outcome, which is false, and the message box will be getting printed. So if it is matching, it will just give me true as an outcome. And also there is another function we can just try to go with. It's like dot contains method. So I'll go with like str1 dot contains. Okay. I'll try to search with a keyword called hello. If it is available, it will just give me true as an outcome. If it was not available, it will just give me false as an outcome. It's just a Boolean type. So we have like true as an outcome here. Yes. So we have seen different type of string manipulations here. So which is Indexof, last Indexof, substring. We have got length. We converted to uppercase, to lowercase, replace, remove. We have seen pad left, pad right. We have seen about insert. We have seen about equals method, and also dot contains method. And also another thing we have seen is about the split method also. Yes. Yep. So thanks for watching my video. Happy automation.